ladies and gentlemen, welcome. It's been a while. How have you been? Right, so I actually told your parents last Saturday that we can't meet because there was an event happening in the compound, and I promised that I was going to create a video and send across. All right, so this is the video. The assignment I gave to you the other time to create an image like this, then use AI to animate. I hope you're able to get it done. Yeah, so you're going to show me all that on Saturday. All right, so let's quickly get in. All right, so I remember I told us that we are going to be creating an animation, okay? And so this is the video for it. Now I have written a prompt right here, and this is what it says. I want you to tell a short story about a lost, abandoned baby giraffe. The story should end with a girl feeding the giraffe, and the giraffe was happy and felt love once again. When you tell the story, generate a prompt from it that will be used to generate images that will be turned into a video. So right now, so this is the story, okay? In the heart of the savannah, under the golden African sun, a baby giraffe named Longneck wandered alone. So this is a short story, as you can see, right? This is the short story, and beneath it is the prompt for image generation. All right, so you can go ahead and write a prompt like this about anything, okay? Just tell ChatGPT to write a short story for you, right? And also tell it to generate prompt out of that story. Okay, so just follow what I've said here, right? You can also create the same thing I've done right here. Okay, so right here we are going to copy this prompt. Okay, we are going to copy it and go over to leonardo.ai. okay, leonardo.ai, then where it's written type in your prompt, you are just going to paste it in there. But again, you can actually do video, but if you do video on the prompt, you have on images, you have 24 coins. Remember, at the top right here we have 150 coins. Okay, so but if you do video, if you click on video, let's see, you have about 200, and we don't have up to, so we can do video, right? So we can do image. Let's just do image right now. So right now we are going to click on generate for 24 coins. So let's see what it generates for us. Okay, oh, we are supposed to do our image configuration here. I wanted to do 16 by 9, but again, let me stick to the 1 by 1. Okay, so let's see what it generates for us. While that is happening, let's go back to ChatGPT again and copy the second prompt. So this is what you're going to do until you generate images for the entire prompt. So this is the giraffe, as you can see, right? I mean, it's beautiful. Okay, so you can download it too. Well, let's paste the prompt again and to generate another image. So we generate again. So while that is happening, you can actually click over here and download it. Okay, on this button here, and download the image. Yes, then you can download this as well. So we are going to be naming it so that we can, because we are going to also stitch them together. Okay, so let's go back to our folder, and we are going to name the images number one. So these images, we are going to name it number 1, number 1. Right, so we are naming it number 1 so that we can know which is the first image. Then this is the second one. As you can see, we can choose, we can pick this, download it. Okay, we can just be picking 2. You can pick more than 2 though if you want, but you can pick 2. Yeah, because yeah, let's just take this as well. So we are going to animate them using hello.ai. Then we go back to ChatGPT again. So you do this for all of them. Okay, so scene 3, I'm going to do this. Okay, then do that for sim 3 to generate again. Let's copy again. Let's go for sim 4. Let's copy it. Yeah, and wait for sim 3 to generate. Awesome. Awesome. All right, so this is it. We can download this. We can download this. We can also, yeah, we can do one actually. Yeah. So we go again, we paste the fourth one, the fourth scene, click on it. Then we can also copy the fifth one while it's generating. So we have 84 coins left. So as you can see, we have this and we can download it. Oh, I forgot to name again. Okay, anyways, we are gonna go back and name it. All right, so let's go back and rename it. So we have one. So this is, we are gonna name this 2. Say number 2. Then number 3. Number 3, and this 2 is going to be number 4. Number 4. Then I think is the last one. Maybe the baby giraffe happily drinking from the bottom. Okay. Guys holding the blue button. Okay, so we can copy. Let's do number 5, right? Then this is going to be the last one. Copy it. So just do as I'm doing. Okay, follow me and create the same thing I'm doing, right? And you're going to see that you're going to have the same outputs like I did. Okay, so we are going to also use right. So okay, let's download this. You see how realistic the image looks, right? It looks so realistic. Okay, we are having a girls wearing 2 different different color of shirt, so we can just maintain one image. So this, we got this and we got this. So sometimes you need to maintain the same kind of image. Okay, yeah, their hairdo is the same, but I wish we had the same color of clothes they're wearing. But let's just download one. All right, so let's put in the 6th prompt. So we just click on generate. So let's rename our recently downloaded prompt. Let's say number 5. So you see, numbering is very important because when we are editing the video, we're going to have to know which number comes before the other. Okay, so they are happy. So which should I pick? So I'm going to pick this. I'm going to pick this. I'm going to save it, and I will name it number 6. Name it number 6. All right, so right now what we are going to have to do, right now we have generated our image. The next thing to do is to come over to Halo, right? I've already showed you the link. This is a link, HILUOAAI.video, right? So right now we are going to put in, and let's see, we are going to do a video. Okay, so we are going to upload an image, the images that we got. Let's see whether we can upload 2 images at once. So you see the reason why I say it's very important. So we're going to start with the first. Okay, we can only upload 1 image after the other. So let's see whether we can upload another image once. Okay, we can upload another image. Okay, so we are going to write a prompt and say animate this image. Basically, let's see whether we can steal some prompts from here. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, anyways, animates this image of a lonely giraffe. Right, so basically I think this is what I got. So let's click on generate. So you know what you're going to do, this is how you are going to do all the videos. Okay, you are going to generate them one after the other. You keep on generating all of the images until you generate and you download the video. You generate and download the video. So you do this for all the images. Okay, you do this for all the images. Once you do this for all the images, on Saturday we are going to edit the image. We are going to generate speech for it. You're going to use AI to generate speech for it, and we can put it together so that you're going to have a voice underneath the video explaining things. Okay, so first and foremost, I want you to do this. Okay, go to ChatGPT, tell it to give you a short story, and once it gives you a short story, you start putting in the prompts. Okay, it generates the prompt for you. All right, now so you can actually go ahead to start generating also the speech. Okay, right here is a sad giraffe standing alone, and then so right now we can come over here and copy this. We can copy let's say let's see. Okay, we can copy paragraph by paragraph like this. Then copy this, then come over to this platform called Flicky, app.flicky.ai, right? Then under here you're going to see video. There are also going to see audio. I want you to click on script. You click on script, and right here you're going to paste the script. Okay, the story, the first paragraph, you're going to place it in here. I'm going to paste it. Then you're going to click on next and wait for it to process, and you can choose your voice. So you see this is a lady's voice. You can try it out. You can listen to the voice actually. Let's see. This is the voice.
Fleeky helps you create audio and video.
No, I don't like this voice. It's too... I need something.
Fleeky helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
All right, you keep on.
Fleeky helps you create audio and video content.
You keep on trying until you get the kind of voice you like. Okay, they are actually free.
Fleeky helps you create audio and video.
Yeah, this is a child.
Flicky helps you create audio and video content.
I think I like Matthew. I'm going to use Matthew's voice. Okay, so I'm going to click on Matthew. Let's see. Then I'm going to select Matthew voice. Then I'm going to click on submit. Okay, so what it's going to do is that it will start initializing. I don't want your notification. So
In the heart of the savannah, under the golden African sun,
Can
a
you hear
baby
that?
giraffe named Longneck wandered alone. His mother had gone missing after a thunderstorm, and the herd had moved on without him. The little giraffe stood confused, his long legs trembling, his eyes searching the vast plains for someone, anyone.
So you come over to audio right here, just click on the drop down, then you're going to see speed. You can drag it backward a bit, right? Then you listen again.
In the heart of the savannah, under the golden African sun,
Take it
a
back.
baby giraffe named Longneck wandered alone. His mother had gone missing after a thunderstorm, and the herd had moved on without him. The herd had moved on without him. Under the golden African sun.
The speed, we want it slow a bit. Okay. Now if you click on this, you're going to get something. So you have music. You can actually have a music right here. But you can upload your own music if you want. Just upload right here. Sound effect, you can use sound effect. Oh, there's no music, there's no effect, so that's fine. So you can just, okay,
The savannah, under the golden African.
all right. So once you're done, you can just click on download, and this is it. You just click on export, okay, and click on start. So what it will do to start, it will prepare the voice, the audio for downloading, and as you can see, it's queuing up, and before you know, it's gonna be done. You can click on download again, so it's processing, and there you go. This is your download. It's called long neck, but we can name it number 1, right? So we can name it number 1, so that we can know where the audio is. You can know which is which. Then you can save it, right? You can close it. You can close it, and you can repeat the entire process again, right? You can delete it and add another audio and add another one again. Okay, you can, let's see, you can put in the text here. You can put in your script here. Let's do another one. Then the second paragraph, or maybe 2 paragraphs. We can put it over here. They say it's too long. Actually, so you can read it. So basically, this is how you do it, right? You can change the voice as well. The voice. Then you repeat the entire process. Then on Saturday, we are going to stitch everything together. I hope you understand. Me catch you up on Saturday. Again, let's see whether our video is done generating. It's not yet done generating, but I'm going to catch you up on Saturday. I'm going to finish up everything. Then on Saturday, I'm going to show you how to stitch everything together. Okay, have a great day.